In this video, we will be talking about the difference between living and non-living things. The butterfly begins its life as a teeny tiny little egg. The egg will then turn into a larva after it is ready. The larva is also known as a caterpillar. The caterpillar's only goal in life is to eat as many leaves as it possibly can to get big and strong. The caterpillar will continue to shed its skin, which is called molting. The caterpillar will molt enough to where it turns into a pupa. A pupa is much like a cocoon. The pupa hangs upside down and has to stay as still as possible so no predators try and eat it. This stage of the butterfly's life is fairly boring as it just stays still and grows wings. The pupa will finally turn into a butterfly after it gets out of its pupa. This entire process is called metamorphosis. Now we can watch the full life cycle of a butterfly. The cycle of how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly perfectly describes a living organism because a caterpillar goes through changes in its life to eventually become a butterfly. However, not everything we see is a living organism. For example, a rock will stay a rock for its entire life. There will be no changes made to the rock unless someone or something breaks it. Living things go through changes in its life and needs to move around and eat to survive. Non-living things don't do anything throughout their life and they make no changes at all. Living and non-living things are very different from each other. Now let's draw the life cycle of a butterfly.